this is what I really want to do, always. Absolutely love it right here. I feel one with nature. Morning everybody, it's Friday morning. We're heading to Hatta. The plan is to go camping today. We're just waiting for others to join us. We're in a small food truck park located close to the Sharjah Mosque, and this is the food truck park. We've now arrived in Hatta. This is the place that I really look forward to when it's winter time in Dubai. This place is called Tandoor Restaurant. They have some of the best chicken tandoor. It's apparently a dish like mandi. They have the tastiest chicken, grilled chicken that you can ever get. So tasty. So I just finished eating at the Tandoor Laham restaurant, which is right there. Now we're going to this place called Black Rose Cafe, and this place has some really good coffee. I went in there earlier today and just tasted some of their offerings. Camping ground by the Mani Lodge Miras, and so this area and this area is what we booked, and then we can go trekking that side, hiking, trekking, whatever you want to call it, and there's some adventure sports on the other side. What a beautiful day. Been walking for the past 1 hour, still climbing up, more up. It's really incredibly beautiful. Walked for about an hour and a half. We've done about 8 kilometers easy, and just so much fun. This is what I really want to do, always. Absolutely love it right here. I feel one with nature. Good morning from Hatta. What a beautiful, bright, sunny day out in the mountains. What an incredible view to wake up to. We're going onto the trampoline. Trampoline. Whew. Net walkway. I'm in the net walkway. Oh, this is easy. This looks like it's normal.